We are all familiar with the stock market roller coaster. According to the Gallup poll, close to 60% of Americans invest in the stock market every year. Many of these investors randomly choose a stock based on gut instinct and water cooler chatter, a lot like legalized gambling. If the price of their stock goes up, they win. If it drops, they lose. Unfortunately, that's how many new investors think of the stock market, as a short-term investment vehicle that either brings huge monetary gains or devastating losses. So, what should one's investment strategy be? A study conducted by researchers at University of Pennsylvania found that the online crowd performed better, on average, and the overall stock market, when they made stock predictions on 2 time periods, in terms of both overall returns and risk-adjusted returns. Furthermore, they found that giving more weight to the votes of the experts in the crowds increases the accuracy of the verdicts, yielding an even greater return in the same time periods. We decided to roll with this concept and launched a web and mobile application that will help average people make better investment and financial decisions, increase their portfolio value, and help cultivate a healthy relationship with like-minded investors. We have built this application with all the great features that's needed for a social site for average investors. This will be a platform for investment research, with broad coverage of stocks, asset classes, and investment strategy. In contrast to other equity research platforms, insight is provided by the users rather than sell-side analysts. Users will be able to make stock predictions, and the most successful user picks float to the top on the home page based on their accuracy and karma score. The system is heavily reliant on users making informed stock picks based on information rather than speculation, and those users posting what facts led them to the recommendation. A recommendation without a summary explanation is not as informative as one that does carry an explanation. Based on this, other users are able to vote a stock pick, up or down, and that's what lets a stock pick to land on the home page. We track user stock predictions and give them an accuracy rating. Users who frequently participate become more powerful on the site when using our karma voting method, and they will have more control over what picks get published. This adds extra incentive for members to interact with the site. Also, top users have more followers tracking and following them. Stock price movement is totally based on news and events, so be in touch with them. Review all financial news and blogs of your interest in one place. You will be able to collaborate with like-minded users on any topic by joining groups of your choice. StockPickstr is much more than a social network. It will change the world by helping investors develop better investment strategy. StockPickstr, using the wisdom of the crowd to pick the best stocks.